Hi knitting friends, Shayna Billow here. In this video I'm going to show you how to get beads onto your knitting. Typically this technique is done with a crochet hook, but I'm going to show you how to use a piece of plastic thread to put your beads upright onto your stitches as you work along. So this is a great technique if you don't want to pre-string your beads and you'd like to just place them wherever you like in a design. Before I show you how to put the beads onto the work, I'm going to talk about the supplies you need. You can use a dental floss threader. Those are easy to come by at your local pharmacy, or you can use a piece of, in this case, fishing line. I bought 30-pound fishing line in neon orange so that I don't lose it in my knitting bag. This is 0.55 millimeters in diameter, so it's got a nice thickness to it that will help me get my beads into it. If you use a dental floss threader, we're not going to be using the loopy part. You can actually just pinch that closed and sort of fold it. So essentially we're turning the dental floss threader into a piece of plastic string like the fishing wire. So I'm going to use the fishing line instead. And then I've got my beads. Here I am up to the point in my pattern where I'm ready for my next bead. What I'm going to do is take my thread, my plastic thread, and insert it into the next stitch, the stitch that requires the bead. So right now that stitch is sitting on the thread. I'm then going to hold the two ends of the thread together, put my bead onto that thread, and pull straight down. That bead is now on the stitch. I can replace the stitch onto the left-hand needle, remove the thread, and knit that stitch. Depending on your pattern, some patterns call for you to slip that stitch. I prefer to knit the stitch that's beaded rather than slip it. I think it has a nicer look. Let me show you that again. I have my stitch that needs to be beaded. I'm going to take my plastic thread and put the stitch onto the thread. Fold the thread in half so that the two ends are together. Take the bead, put that onto the two ends of the thread, pull down onto the stitch itself, replace the stitch onto the left-hand needle, remove the thread, and proceed. It's as simple as that to get really beautiful beads on your knitted fabric. Happy knitting!